Hello cadets, welcome to ndatest.com, an initiative by Disha Foundation Maharashtra. This is an informative video about Mission NDA All India Express Test Series. As we all know, UPSC has decided to conduct NDA 1 and NDA 2 exams simultaneously, which will be on 6th of September 2020. As seen very rare in history, UPSC is conducting NDA 1 and 2 exams simultaneously. It is definitely going to have certain implications on preparation strategy by students, which is covered in detail in some another video. In this video, we will focus only on Mission NDA Express All India Test Series and its benefit and character of the program. This All India Test Series is an integrating platform for best minds in India preparing for NDA. Every year, nearly 8 lakh plus students apply for NDA. Out of the successful candidates, majority are from Sainik schools, military schools, RIMC, etc. We are providing this platform to compare your preparation on all India level before actual NDA exam and to prepare a national level exam on a true national platform. NDA Express Test Series is certainly going to help you for time-bound revision, daily systematic practice, test performance, mistake analysis. This will increase your confidence and get assured success in NDA 1 and 2 exam. The plan of test series includes 35 tests of maths and GAT, including the 4 full-length tests of each subject. You can operate these tests from your mobile, computer and laptops on flexible date and time. In mathematics section, there are 15 tests, including chapter-wise, section-wise and full-length tests. And in GAT section, there are 20 tests, subject-wise test, special test on English subject, current affairs test and full-length test. The schedule and the detail will be available on website shortly. By joining this test series, you will be able to solve more than 2500 most probable questions for NDA 2020 exam with their answers, explanations, difficulty level and detailed exam analysis. NDA Express Test Series will help you to understand your weak and strong areas to perform your best in UPSC NDA exam. This also enables you to learn from your result page like your mistakes, number of attempt, degree of correctness, etc. Our team is the proud part of many success stories for NDA both in UPSC and SSB, and we are ready to deliver the best for NDA 2020 exam and to facilitate many NDA dreams to clear the exam in upcoming NDA. Dear cadets, UPSC generally asks the question on facts and figures, conceptual clarity, understanding and knowledge of the subject and application. NDA test series follows the same pattern to bring most probable questions for upcoming NDA exam. Our tests are based on NCERT and other authenticate sources from which questions are generally drawn. Here you can compare your score with most serious aspirants for NDA. You will be provided with detailed solution for your personal reference. We are also going to have some score improvement technique workshop through which you can improve your score about by 50 marks. और जैसा कि हमारे कुछ रिपीटर स्टूडेंट्स जानते होंगे, एनडीए एग्ज़ाम में पूरा पेपर टाइम में सॉल्व करना बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है। और ये एनडीए एक्सप्रेस टेस्ट सीरीज जो है वो आपको कुछ ऐसी ही बातें समझने में मदद करेंगी, जैसे एग्ज़ाम में टाइम मैनेजमेंट कैसे करें, कितने क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करना सही रहेगा, रिस्क लेवल कितना होना चाहिए, निगेटिव मार्किंग का सामना हम कैसे कर सकते हैं और 400 से ज़्यादा स्कोर एनडीए में हम कैसे ला सकते हैं। Now something worth sharing about this website. Our team have systematically distributed the whole NDA syllabus in about 450 subsections for GAT and about 300 subsections for maths. Since last 2 years, the frequency of question from this subsection is shown in following diagram. To mention specifically, in NDA 2 2019 exam, the 68 questions out of 100 questions, as we are not including the questions of English section, these questions were asked from these subsections directly or indirectly, and this is true for about 63 questions out of 120 questions. Every month, we update the material in those lists and try to analyze most probable questions or syllabus section for upcoming exam, and these questions are reflected in our test series. और इसे एग्जाम्पल में देखा जाए तो ये साल भारत में दो साइक्लोन्स आए थे, जैसे कि अम्फान और दूसरा साइक्लोन था निसर्ग। तो इस साल इंडिया में निसर्ग या फिर अम्फान या फिर ओवरऑल साइक्लोन के बारे में क्वेश्चंस आने की संभावना ज़्यादा रहेगी। और 1920 इज़ द डेथ ईयर ऑफ लोकमान्य बाल गंगाधर तिलक। तो उनके बारे में और उनका जो कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा है इंडियन फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल के बारे में, उस बारे में भी क्वेश्चन आने के चांसेस इस साल बहुत ज़्यादा रहेंगे। सो इसी तरीके से हमारी जो रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट टीम है, it is striving for making NDA preparation easy, coherent, and systematic. So we appeal you to prepare with experts. Current affairs are of unique importance in NDA to secure extra marks and to improve one's personality for SSB. We have some separate tests for current affairs with video lectures. The detail of current affairs will be covered in some another video. So this is a truly national platform for NDA 2020 exam. Students from across the corner of India are joining the test series. We appeal you to join it to prepare a national level exam on a national level platform. You should visit www.ndatest.com for joining the test series. You can also use the coupon code NDA2020 to get rupees 1500 discount. The test will start from 1st of July 2020, for which registrations are open now. And subscribe this channel for my other videos which are important for NDA preparation. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.